All these things I am adding into the cooker. Adding little water so that the dal and these things are soaked. Half a spoon of turmeric powder. Then I will close it and keep it for say 4 or 5 whistles. Say 4 or 5 whistles. Bring it down, cool it, and by adding salt and also the optional things, coriander leaves and pudina. I am keeping the cooker on the stove, and then after 4 whistles I'll open it. If there is water, we can reduce it by heating it for 2-3 minutes. Pulp of it, I mean the pulp, and then make shamis and fry. After 4 whistles, the water is completely absorbed. Now, if you want, you can reduce some more, but there is no water. Now we have to separate all the ingredients, and we have to grind the chilies, mutton, coconut together into a fine paste. Remove it and then grind the dal with coriander leaf and pudina. These are optional. If you want more chilies, if it is not sufficient, you can add it, and then you can add even the garam masala and also the ginger garlic paste if you want. It is also optional. Little, quarter teaspoon. Then mix it well, both the pulps, and see there is no water. If you find any water, you can add 1 full teaspoon of the fried gram powder, gram dal powder. I have separated all the ingredients: dal, coconut cut into pieces, green coconut cut into pieces, green red chilies, and whole garam masala, and the mutton. These things I am going to, without except dal, I will grind these 3 things first, make a paste, and then I will grind the dal, mix together, and add coriander and pudina in the last pulp. And then if anything is less, we can add even the garam masala, you can add if you want. Then make the shamis and fry it either on the shallow tawa or deep frying, whichever is convenient. You touch and see the pulp. If you feel any moisture, you can add little of the roasted gram pottu kadalai powder to it. Mix it well, then it will become dry and you can make the fine shamis. Let us proceed. The pulp is ready and the shamis are red pan, and it is getting hot. I will fry the shamis, keeping it at low flame, and then don't touch before it cooks. Now I am slowly turning it. See how beautifully it is coming. You have to be very careful while turning. Now 2 minutes at low flame. See how nicely it has come. You can see the shamis very nicely cooked. Set down.